Xcorps, this is Jason Lazo at Fontana at the Yamaha SuperBike Challenge with the Bruce Transportation Group, and I'm hanging out by one of the Formula Extreme bikes. You know what? We're going to go check out what these things do right now on the Xcorps, so stay tuned. Xcorps, you want action? You got it right here. Yamaha SuperBike Challenge. The big race is on right now. Check it out on the Xcorps. Yeah, right. Xcorps, what's up? This is Jason Lazo in Fontana, and I've tracked down a rider at Team Hooters. You know why I got to this tent, right? Anyway, this is Vincent Haskovik. How you doing, bud?
I'm great, man.
Yeah, how's the race going for you?
Oh, really good, really good. We're excited. You know, we got beautiful girls, man. We got beautiful bikes.
Tell us a little about your bike.
Oh, my bike is just Suzuki GSX-R 750. I'm gonna down the road, down the season. I'm gonna race thousands also, so I'm pumped about that, man.
Very cool. How long you been racing for?
For 7 years.
7 years. Well, all right. We're gonna check out some more action right now on the Xcorps. This is Jason Lazo, Vincent Haskovik. You're at the Yamaha SuperBike Challenge in Fontana. Stay tuned.